Hi everybody, I'm Minh, Khuê. Today I'll talk about how do animals move. Now let's start. Look, there's a shark. How do the sharks move? Yes, it swims. It swims in the water, and it uses fin to swim in the water. Wow, look at this cute duck. It uses rabbit feet to swim, right? Like a rock. It uses rabbit feet to paddle, and then it can swim. Look. These are the animals that have to move. The frog hop, and it can jump very, very high and far. The kangaroo is a big and cute animal. It is very gentle, and it hops like this. The kangaroo puts its baby on its tummy, right? After that, the kangaroo won't in that place anymore. What about this rabbit? It's a pink rabbit, right? And it has long ears, not like me. The rabbit can hop very far and always eats vegetables and rats. Wow! How do animals move? The animals crawl because they have no legs, and if they have legs, they have very, very short legs, so they can walk. So they can crawl, only crawl on the ground. Some animals fly, like the bird. It can fly, and it can sing too, right? They fly with their wings. If they don't have wings, they can't not fly. Look, a bee. The bee can fly too, and it always make honey for us. But sometimes, some bee can bite us. But don't worry, it can bite us one time, not 3 or 4, 5 or 6, or even 10 times. Wow, look, 3 animals walk or run to move. Like a horse. Yes, the horse runs. It can run very fast and has 4 legs. What about this leopard? Yes, it is the fattest runner in the world. The lion is a big animal, and sometimes it walks, and sometimes it runs to hunt animals, right? The lion can roar very loudly. Roar! And look, animals move in different ways, like swim, hop, crawl, so slow, fly, too fast, walk or run. Yes, we walk or run to move, but the animals use many ways to move, right? Goodbye everyone. Thank you for your watching and listening.